Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can speed up OPPO A60. I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks that you can use in order to improve the performance at least a little bit on this device. So the first thing that I want to show you is the RAM extension. So we're gonna open settings, then scroll all the way down and go to about device, and over here you want to tap on RAM in order to open RAM expansion. Make sure that this option is on, and by default you probably have this set to 4 GB, but you can increase to 6 or even 8 GB. In order to apply these changes, you will need to restart your device. So if you go back, you will be notified about this, and you can restart the device now in order to apply these changes, or you can do this later by pressing not now, and then you will have to do that by yourself. So let's actually do this later. And the next thing that we can do is reduce animations. In order to do that, first we need to go to additional settings, then go to accessibility, go to vision, and then scroll down and you will find remove animations. If you select this option, then you will have no transitions between different tabs. I mean, you will probably have some minimal transitions like this one over here, but for instance, if you exit the setting or enter the setting, it will happen immediately. So a little bit of improvement. Of course, if you prefer to still have the animations, then you don't really have to use it. The next thing that you can do is open the task manager or background apps and make sure that there are not so many apps running in the background. You want to close them. You can close one app by swiping it up, or you can press close all in order to close all apps at once, and then you will see the information about optimization. You can also open the app drawer and find phone manager. If you open it, then over here you will find the information about the condition of your device, and you can press optimize in order to clean up, to make some changes to the privacy. Over here you will find the also some tips that you can also use, like enable the power saving. We can disable developer options if you have them enabled, although I don't think that really matters that much. And we can change the auto screen off time if you have changed it before. And over here you can also see what happened by the device itself, what the device itself did to optimize. So we have the RAM usage is set to optimal, no launch apps need to be disallowed, and permission settings are optimal, and so on and so forth. So over here you can see that lots of things can be done in order to optimize the device. And the last thing that you can do in order to improve the performance a little bit is to go to settings, then you want to go to display and brightness, and then over here you can go to screen refresh rate, and over here by default you have this set to auto select, and if you have it set to auto select, then it means that the system or the device will decide by itself when you will use 90 Hz refresh rate. If you want to speed up, or at least have the feeling that the device runs really smooth, then you should set it to high. However, keep in mind that some apps will still run at 60 Hz regardless, due to some compatibility issues. However, if you use high, then you will use the maximum refresh rate of the screen, and it will provide smoother animations and operations. However, of course, this is not really for free, and what I mean by that is that if you set it to high, then you will also use the battery more than, for instance, if you had it set to standard. However, I don't think the difference is that much noticeable if you set it to high, and if you don't really want to always have it set to high in order to balance the battery usage a little bit more, then of course you can keep it on auto select. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.